them at this little, usually these little bus stops that we go to. And so whenever you travel in Laos, or excuse me, around Vietnam, your bus will stop at certain points. You can use the restroom. These are the traditional pipes that are real popular in Vietnam. So you put your little hash in there, smoke it just kind of like a bong. You got some knives over here. Now I saw some authentic like knife makers, some real guys go at it. But yeah, you see they got different blades of different quality. You got some sheaths. This is what's cool. The one that I made, they use these two bamboos, right? So they make these two bamboo things for the sheath, and they connect it together usually by twine. But yeah, pretty cool. The quality is not as good as the red Zao maker that me and my friend filmed. And in this place you can just get a whole bunch of food. You can see it's got shops everywhere. And then all the buses just... That's my bus right there. So anyways, I guess I better get to it. I just wanted to show... Oh, and this is what I had for a snack. Check this out. So I had this right there. I don't know what it was called, but it was good. So anyways, that might be my bus driver honking. I'm gonna get out of here, so peace. See y'all in the north. So, you can see the wind. It's gray skies. All these different buses going to different spots.